Let us talk a little bit about the tags we have in our HTML file. At the top, we have the doc type tag. This tag was used in the past to act as a link to a set of rules that the HTML page had to follow. Currently, in modern times, this is just included so that your HTML file works fine. So you don't need to put too much thought into that tag. Just include it so that everything works fine. Now, the second tag is the HTML element. As you can see, this element wraps everything in the content. Everything within this tag is the whole content of that page. This is the root element. Then we have the head. Now, this head contains everything that describes what is in the page. So you can have the page description, you can have keywords that will appear in search results. So basically, there are some information inside here, and these necessarily are not shown on the main page. These are just important information. The meta tag inside the head actually specifies the character set for your document, and the UTF-8 is common as it includes most characters. So that means your web page should be able to handle a lot of human written languages. This is normally like the default, so you don't need to put much thought to it. It's quite common. Now, the title element, as you can see by the name, this is the title that will appear in the browser tab when the page is loaded. Now, we have the body. Now, this body contains the real element that will be displayed on the page. This is your text, your images, your videos, your list. Whatever you see on the main web page is contained within the body. So that is what we have. We have our HTML tag, we have our head, we have our body. Now, if you see that within the body, we have the paragraph, learn how to use the system first. We would just have one text, and the title of the web page will be learn how to program. So these are the common tags of HTML.